She's a long one. This time around, it's another S2500. This one's from the great state of Texas. All the way up here in Maine. We don't see trucks like this around here very often. Let's see if I can, my lighting stinks. Look at that frame. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, what are we doing to this old jewel? Well, let me show you real quick out the window. I'm gonna get the body off. Can you see out there? I'm gonna get the body off that old Peterbilt there. That's a nice old truck, old 349. Frames totaled out in it. It's got a 3306. Nice old truck. Anyway, we're gonna take that 19.5 foot J&J aluminum body off in that and put it on this truck. It's virtually rust free. N14 in it, 370 horse, 10 speed. I don't know what the rears are, but it's clean as a whistle, you know, clean as a whistle. Look at that. Anyway, so we decided we got to take 33 inches out of this beast to put the wheels where they need to be. So we're gonna slice it and dice it, shorten it up. Here's what the my drive shaft solution. You got a 2-piece, 3-piece drive shaft here, original equipment or whatever. This truck had been lengthened before. I'll show you right here. Cut right in two and lengthened out. So now we're gonna go the other way and shorten it back up. Just reverse engineer what they did. Anyway, so we ended up with a 3-piece drive shaft here. That lighting is terrible. We can turn a light on. Yeah, maybe. What's that do? Nope, that's not the button. Anywho. So we're going to take the front 2 pieces out. I'm going to get rid of this center bearing. Keep this center bearing where it is. And junkyard drive shaft here is just the right ticket. So we're going to put this right up onto the transmission here. And we're going to end up with a 2-piece drive shaft. So I'll get slicing and dicing away here. Show you a little bit more as the day progresses. All right, bye for now.